They call it Wonder Lover. And trust me, you will be wondering how you ever lived without it. I couldn't wait to get my hands on the Love to Love dual stimulation vibrator. The moment the package came, I couldn't contain my excitement. The box is super discreet, no guessing game here. Inside, I found the vibrator looking sleek and shiny. The soft silicone feels amazing to the touch. The remote fits perfectly in my hand. It's rechargeable with a magnetic cable, so no hassle with batteries. The coolest part? The LED light. It's subtle but gives off a premium vibe that makes the whole toy feel special. It changes color depending on the mode, which makes it easy to know where you're at even in low light. Using the Love to Love dual stimulation vibrator is super easy. And honestly, the design makes everything effortless. First, charge it up using the magnetic cable, then just press the power button and boom, you're ready. For solo play, the egg is perfectly placed to hit all the right spots inside, while the tongue-like motion does wonders for your clit. It's hands-free, so you don't need to worry about holding it at all. Now the real fun begins with the remote. It's easy to use. You can switch between 7 patterns and 4 speeds depending on your mood. If you are using it with a partner, it's a whole new level of excitement. Hand over the remote and let them play with the settings. The anticipation adds that little extra zing to the whole experience. Ever wished a toy could feel real? Meet Wonder Lover. First off, the flapping mouth, it legit feels like oral. Moves up and down, hits just the right spot. And the little silicone chimney makes everything way more intense. Then there's the insertable egg. Deep, rumbly vibrations that work inside while the flapping motion works outside. And the best part, it's totally hands-free. No awkward adjusting, no holding it in place. Just let it do its thing. Plus, the remote works from 10 meters away and you can control each motor separately. Oh, and the LED light changes with every mode, so you see the vibe before you feel it. Trust me, Wonder Lover isn't just a toy, it's an experience. Just sit back, relax, and let it do its thing. So, I finally tried the Wonder Lover, and honestly, I wasn't ready for the powerful vibrations it brings. It's the first time I've used a toy that's so hands-free. No more holding it in place, just pure, uninterrupted pleasure. The egg part works wonders for the G-spot. But the real magic is in that tongue-like motion. It's just so spot on. The sensation is too good to explain. The neck of this Wonder Boy is so flexible that it can adapt to anybody. Used it with my partner, and let me tell you, the remote control was a game changer. He got to control the modes, and it felt like a fun little playtime experiment between us. We even used it in the shower, and the waterproof feature made it a breeze. Once you charge this, you don't have to worry about this stopping in between because the runtime is 110 minutes. Isn't that great? Honestly, I can't get enough of it now. If you are looking for a premium experience, this is it.